So, I initially had a different video planned, but due to technical difficulties, here's a slightly different one. Now, I'm sure many of you have had dry, gritty scrambled eggs with that sort of weird liquid leaking out of it. Either that, or you attempted to make an omelette, failed to flip, and decided to turn it into overcooked scrambled eggs. Either way, both are not great to eat. So, in today's video, we go back to basics and make the creamiest, most velvety scrambled eggs. Begin by placing a knob of butter and 3 eggs in a cold pan. You can choose to use olive oil or any other kind of fat here. Do not add salt at this point, as it will make your eggs go dry and it will cause it to leak that weird liquid which we don't want. Also, it's a lot easier to use a gas top stove and a non-stick pan, so use those if you can. Next, turn the heat up to medium-high and using any stirring apparatus, break the eggs and begin mixing. Once again, I recommend using a rubber spatula. Also, you can start on a lower setting if you're unfamiliar with this technique. Keep stirring until you see the eggs begin to curdle at the bottom of the pan. At this point, take it off the heat and keep stirring for about 15 seconds. Make sure to release any curdled eggs from the sides and the corners of the pan. Place the pan back on the heat for another 15 seconds and continue stirring. Then remove it off the heat for another 15 seconds and continue stirring. Repeat this process until your eggs are almost done. Make sure to keep a close watch, as your eggs will go from velvety to a dry, gritty mess in a matter of seconds if you don't pay attention. At this point, scoop in a knob of sour cream or creme fraiche, season with salt and pepper, and give it a good mix. Taste for seasoning and plate up. Finish it with some good olive oil, a bit more fresh pepper, and maybe a fresh grating of some sharp cheese. And there you have it, how to make the creamiest, most velvety scrambled eggs. While it may not be the prettiest looking dish, it's well worth the effort. I'm sure you don't need me to tell you what goes with scrambled eggs, so go out there and cook yourself some breakfast, lunch, or dinner I guess. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, remember to like and subscribe and to share the video. Also, let me know down in the comments what other dishes you'd like to learn how to cook. But for now, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.